Good morning, children. In this episode, we'll discuss about phenomenon, lightning, consequence of lightning, and the measures to protect ourselves from lightning. So, what is a phenomenon? A phenomenon is an event which you can observe in day-to-day life. So, a phenomenon is an observable fact or an event like weather, fog, germination of a seed, decomposition, phases of moon, rainbow formation, moonbow, etc. So these are few examples for phenomenon. Now we'll see what is a disaster. So a natural catastrophe that causes great damage to the properties and loss of life is called as disaster. If that disaster is caused in by nature, we call it as natural disasters. So few natural disasters are volcano, tornado, flood, forest fire, tsunami, earthquake, cyclone, drought, lightning, etc. So in this episode, we'll see what is lightning. So lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the atmosphere between the clouds, the air, or the ground. When the water vapor rises, it collides with the ice particle and water droplets, and these ice crystals and water droplets, they knock out the electrons from the water vapor. So the water vapor becomes positive and they settle on the top of the cloud. Since the water droplets and the ice crystals are heavier, they sink down and deposit in the bottom of the cloud. So as the air rises, water vapor cools and forms cloud. So millions and millions of water droplet and ice particles whirl about in the cloud. They collide with the rising moisture and knock out the electrons. So lighter positive charge particles form at the top of the cloud and heavier negative charge particles sink to the bottom of the cloud. Here you could see the positive charges on the top and the negative charges accumulated on the bottom of the cloud. And Earth is positively charged. So negative charged cloud is attracted towards positively charged ground. So when they are attracted, the discharge of charges will occur, resulting in lightning. Not only that, when two clouds of different charges they collide, the discharge occurs accompanied by lightning and thundering. When negative charges, the electron in the bottom of the cloud are attracted to the positive charges in the ground, lightning occurs. So lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the atmosphere between the clouds, the air, or the ground. So the bolt of lightning can reach to a temperature of 30,000 Kelvin, which is around 5 times greater than the temperature of the surface of the sun. So the surface temperature of the sun is just 6,000 kelvins. So there are bolts of lightning striking somewhere on the earth every second. So lightning strike usually lasts around 1 to 2 microseconds. So lightning contains millions of volts of electricity. So lightning can also occur during volcanic eruptions, dust storms, snowstorms, forest fires, and tornadoes. Now we'll see what is thunder. So thunder is sound caused by lightning. In this picture you can see When the lightning strikes, this is the how the charges are discharged. As a result, the lightning is produced. The air around the path of the lightning, they get heated up rapidly. So this makes the expansion of the air, which causes the sound. Now we could see the flashlight first, and after that only we'll be able to hear the thunder. That's because the light travels faster. It travels around 3 lakh kilometers per second, but the speed of the sound is only 320 meters per second. So the sudden increase in the pressure and temperature of the lightning produces rapid expansion of the air within the surrounding the path of the lightning strike. So thunder is caused by the rapid expansion of the air surrounding the path of the lightning bolt. The sound of the thunder can be anything from a loud crackle to low rumble. So thunder cannot occur without lightning, and lightning cannot occur without rain. Lightning is seen first and then the thunder is heard. This is because of the speed. The speed of light is 3 lakh kilometers per second, but the speed of sound is 320 meters per second. So people who are scared of thunder and lightning, we call this fear as astrophobia. Now we'll see what attracts lightning. So height, so tall trees are easily struck by lightning. Not only that, the pointy shape, because the charge density of the pointy shape is higher, so lightning finds easy route to earth through this pointy surfaces. Isolation, so any object which is not connected to the earth is called as isolation. So which is not connected is easily struck by lightning. So lightning could destroy life and property. So when lightning strikes a house, the electricity often surges through the home wiring or plumbing system, searching for the quickest possible route to the ground. Here you could see the lightning striking the tree. Here the lightning striking the house. The lightning striking the Eiffel Tower. So we'll see what are the precautions we should take to protect ourselves from lightning. So lightning can travel through plumbing and cable. So during thunderstorm, it is better we do not wash our hands, take bath or wash the dishes. Similarly, avoid electronic equipments of all types because the lightning can travel through the electrical systems and radios and television reception systems. Avoid corded phones and avoid concrete floors and walls. Okay, in case you are outdoors, how can you protect yourself? So stay away from the tall trees, flag posts or post. Stay inside the bus or car with door or windows shut. So inside the car, in case the lightning strikes, the charges will move around the metal surface. So this will protect you from the lightning. So you are safe inside the vehicle. In case you are in the forest, take shelter under the shortest tree. So do not lie down on the ground, instead squat on the low ground. So you have to squat. So avoid contact with running water and don't carry an umbrella. Okay. Open vehicles are not safe, so avoid traveling in the open vehicle. So lightning can kill people. It can cause severe burns and permanent brain damage to memory loss and the personality change. So to protect us, our buildings, and we have to use a lightning conductor. So lightning conductor is a device used to protect the buildings from the effect of lightning. So it has a pointy surface. So there will be easy discharge of the electric charges through this pointy electric conductors. So metal rod taller than the building is installed in the walls of the building during the construction. So here you could see, so this is installed during the construction itself, and a part is kept out in the air and another end is buried deep into the ground. So one end is kept out in the air and the other end of the rod is buried deep in the ground. So this provides easy route for the transfer of charges to the ground. So with this we come to an end of this episode, children. Answer to this questions. Write these answers in your notebook. Thank you, children. Take care.